Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start a Tesla Model Y. Park with the brake applied and press the brake pedal firmly to wake the car and engage systems. Confirm the key method is detected and the center display indicates readiness. Adjust seat and mirrors, set driver profile if needed, and ensure all doors are closed before releasing the parking brake and shifting into drive. Before you hit the road, review the center display for battery percentage and estimated range so you can plan charging stops confidently. Set your climate, mirrors, and seat position for comfort and safety while pairing your phone for seamless key access and navigation. Confirm regenerative braking preferences and enable features like seat heaters, then save a driver profile to recall your settings quickly every time you drive. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy learning about money and sensible planning, grab the Simple Path to Wealth for straightforward investing advice that pairs well with long-term vehicle ownership. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides and updates. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and money on related resources. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To start moving, press the brake and select drive using the gear selector, then accelerate smoothly and use one-pedal driving if preferred. Keep an eye on cameras and blind spot indicators while checking mirrors and surroundings for pedestrians and traffic. When parking, engage park and confirm P on the display, exit with your phone key or key card, and lock the car to ensure charging and security features operate properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.